Hey guys, as you can see, Tuff Shed is here at the house putting up the shed. We were able to call them the same day that we got the permit back. I think the permits took about, I'll say about a week and a half to get completed. But as soon as they called us and told us the permit was complete, we were able to call over to Tuff Shed and schedule an appointment for them to come out and install the shed. So they came about 2 days later, and here you will see it took them less than, maybe around 2 hours tops to put the entire shed together. So the same day that we called Tuff Shed to schedule the installation for the shed, we went ahead and called the fence company so that they can come out, or we can schedule them to come out right after the shed was installed. So the shed was installed on a Friday and the fence was installed the following Monday. As you can see here, the fence did not take very long at all to be completed. They knocked down the old pieces, tore that apart, took it out, and put the fence back together, picket by picket. So now, since all of this is taken care of, we got to get these bricks, which were already back here, of course, from they came from the front yard, but we were going to use those to line the island that's back here. So we still need those bricks. This tree has to come out, so at some point we're going to get this tree out so we don't have another incident. There's all the stuff that needs to go back in the shed, and then the bikes need to go to the dump. And then we have the shed back here. Let me go on the other side and check this out. So I don't think I showed you guys the shed. But here is the final build. It looks really good. It now has to be painted. So we'll get to painting at some point. Babe, you remember you got to paint it? So we got to get it painted. Well, he's going to do it. And then now the fence is closed back in. We have a private yard again. All right, let me go back over here. So this is all some lumber left over from the base of the shed. We had to tear it up. So it's actually a good day today. But I don't have time today. I gotta go see about Sugar Bear. Take her dress. So now we're finally coming back together, y'all.